Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text to all caps in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make text to all caps in this document. At first I have to select this all text. To press Ctrl+8 on your keyboard or drag on your mouse to select this all text. Now you can see here are format menu. Click this format menu and click text option. Now go to the end of the text option. You can see here are capitalization option. Now change to uppercase. You can see I make text to all caps in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.